Okay. What's in this?
I don't care.
We're gonna start with eyeshadow because eyeshadow. I already moisturized and now I just the same primer I use all the time. Oh, I accidentally put too much. Just go like that if you put too much. Burns. Just kidding. Not that. Sometimes it does. Should I do my eyebrows first? Yes, eyebrows. Now I'm just gonna have a little bit on the brush. I'm not gonna make it darker than that. And yes, this is my first time talking on camera. So if it's cringy, just pray for me. I think these eyebrows are gonna turn out bad, honestly, because I'm just like filling them in as whatever. And she's done. No, ew. And now I'm gonna pluck these eyebrows. Did it work?
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
This time the eyeshadow's at the beginning. Yay, okay. I'm gonna be using that on both of my eyes. This is the Pure Festival palette. I'm gonna use Sunset on the lid. I'm just gonna take that into the crease as well. I'm going to use a shimmer. What shimmer do I want though?
Free Shabakadoo!
Then I'll use the same like right here on my brow bone. Two symbol? Yes. The e.l.f. one. I'm just gonna tightline my eyes. Now let's try to do the same thing on the other eye. I think I did it evenly. And now, I'm gonna curl our lashes and put mascara. Now it looks like we're wearing eyelashes, but we're not. That's why I do my eyeliner thin on the inner part of my eye so you can actually see my lashes. Now I'm gonna do concealer, a really little amount of concealer because minimal makeup. That looks good. Or do we need more? We need a little bit more. Oh, okay. Now I'm gonna put more blush on. Or I could use this. Better. You can tell this one I use a lot. Oh, I almost forgot to do bottom eyeshadow. I'll do that right now. I'm just taking one Fresco. Ooh. Nose highlight. Cupid's bow. Bridge. Highlight my cheekbones. And that's it.
800-588-2300 Empire.
Today.